Hey guys, this is Lee. Don't know whether if you're familiar with this situation. You're kind of very busy and then you say, I'm not gonna order or buy any orchids anytime soon, and then you still look at those videos, those YouTube videos, and then you come across an orchid that's really beautiful or that you really like, that you're really interested in, and then you just start looking for it on the internet. And that's what happened to me. I saw a video by June's Orchids. I don't know if I hope I pronounced the name correctly, but given that the language was Chinese, maybe it's not pronounced June. Don't know. Well, he presented a orchid called Phal Triprince MK, and that's such a beautiful, cute little phalaenopsis that I broke my word to myself. And I went online, looked for it, and then found it on Orchid Garden and Celaorchidee in Italy. And because Orchid Garden, they sold it both about for the same price, but Orchid Garden had a packaging fee of €8 and Celaorchidee 25. I opted for Orchid Garden. So this is actually the first time I'm ordering with them. Let's check it out. Nice little thing here. Ta-ta! Well, it took about, I ordered it on Friday, I guess, and it arrived today. No, I ordered it, I don't remember. I think I ordered it last Saturday and it arrived today, which is Friday, all the way from Poland, that is, to Germany. That is quite a journey, I guess. So yeah, I bought two because if I ordered one, the packaging would be €8, as I said, and if I ordered two, then it would be €9. So I said, yeah, what the heck, I'll just order two, and if I find anyone who likes it, I'm gonna give it or just sell it. I don't know. So the leaves look fine, maybe a little bit dehydrated, a bit soft. But there are roots. Look at those green roots. So it shouldn't be dehydrated. But then maybe it's just the orchid itself that it's so soft. I don't know. But hey, what's that? Yay! A flower spike. Ha! That's cool. I wasn't expecting that. So I really don't know if this flower spike will make it, but wouldn't it be cool to have a bloom anytime soon? So it's obviously potted in sphagnum moss, and well, then maybe I'll just leave it in sphagnum moss. Roots wise, this plant is really good, so the quality is okay. Phal Liu's Triprince MK. Let's check out the other one. The leaves are a bit firmer here. Roots, yes, we do have roots. When you buy a new orchid, you want to check out the roots in the first place. Of course, you need to like the bloom, but the roots is important for the new future. So the roots are green and healthy and alive. That's pretty cool. And what do we have here? A flower spike. And new roots coming. So I don't know the growth pattern of this one here, but flower spike and new roots at the same time. Will that work? Don't know. With my Leodoro, there were sometimes flower spikes that wouldn't just grow any further. I don't know, I'll just give this plant light and hope the flower spike continues developing, and hope I have a bloom very soon. Alright, have a great weekend, bye!